Hello everybody, what's up? This is your buddy Abby Stake channel, guys. Once again, present with another latest update video about Dogecoin. And guys, first of all, I want congratulations to all Dogecoin holders because you know about Dogecoin from last 7 days. Dogecoin going to the moon. So very congratulations once again. Dogecoin is back up in the market, and that's already a huge achievement for Dogecoin holders, guys. That Dogecoin again start pumping, and possibility that the price of Dogecoin will be about 0.5000 USD dollar, guys. That is my personally target for Dogecoin. Anyways, let's talk about more about Dogecoin, but you have to subscribe ABS Take channel for more update and news videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel, so thank you so much. Now guys, if we talk about the currently price of Dogecoin, so as you can see here, 0.266591 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Dogecoin in the market. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Dogecoin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Dogecoin is going completely positive in the market. So this means that Dogecoin from last 7 days, Dogecoin is in the huge profit. And obviously, if you know about that now Dogecoin is in the profit in the upcoming days. Also, Dogecoin price will continue this pump. So I recommend that it's time to hold, guys. You have to hold if you know about the future. If you predict, as I predicated, guys, you know what, in 2 days ago I predicated Dogecoin that possibility that in the last week of October the price will pump. So guys, as you can see here, my prediction is 100% going right about Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin is in the huge pump, so possibilities, now my prediction is that Dogecoin will continue this pump to the last of October. So that's why, guys, I suggest for all of my viewers, those people who's following Abby Stake channel, guys, it's time to hold, it's time to buy more and more Dogecoin. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Dogecoin? And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.